So what's up? Twizz the Clown is in the house, and what do you see behind me? It's Shockholm, Scandinavia's largest Halloween festival parade in Stockholm. And I did win Best Suit 35 Plus this year. Yeah, some of you already know that who is following me just got the prizes. So, yeah, what did I get? I did get some candy. It's polka geese. It's the Dracula ones. Taste blood, I think. And it's the Frankenstein. So maybe it tastes stitches or something that has to be investigated. I did get the Shockholm comic. So something to read when I'm going to sleep. I hope it's horror. Yes, it must be horror. What did I get more here? It's the cooking point, kokpoten, where I can go and take a bath from the ballonsbudet.se, so I can order some balloons. Yeah, hell yeah, and Twizz the Clown loves balloons, so that's a perfect gift. So, cool Evans, you can have a children's party. They can take Twizz the Clown if they want. And the last and the best was this one, Trosa stadshus. So I can go and sleep at the Trosa stadshus. So that's cool. So, 2 breakfast and 1 night for 2 people. So, yeah. So, Twizz the Clown will haunt that place. So, that will be cool. So, yeah. It was fun winning. And I got kicked out from the call. So, I could not take my rock star moment when they called my name that I was the winner in my age class. So, that was kind of not funny, not a clown moment to remember. I remember the win, because the win was awesome. I was happy, but look here. I can show you the video, because I filmed myself with a GoPro here.
Of this costume,
I think
the
it was
winner
Christer, actually.
is Christer Forsberg.
Christer, but I think he's...
I'm not sure we have the right winner here, but
right,
the
we have a
winner
haunted...
of this
it's your,
costume
I think trying to do a nice
is
video.
Christer Forsberg.
Like, but I think... Yeah, okay.
I did win.
I'm the winner, and I'm just kicked out from the Skype call, and I'm trying to get in. I'm not getting in, so I have to take my phone, and when I come in, it's over. They have already gone to the next thing in the show, so yeah, that was a little bit annoying, but next year, I'm coming back, I promise, and maybe more goodies with Twizz the Clown. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'm happy. I'm going to eat a lot of candies, so my teeth will look like for a real clown. Like now they look all too good. So yeah, that's everything from Twizz the Clown. Don't miss Shockholm next year. I tell you, go and follow their page already on the Facebook so you don't miss it. That was my 3rd year. This was the 1st. Yeah, I was Santa. This was the 2nd year. I was Twizz the Clown that year too. And like I said, this was me again. So the same suit with some small modifications. I have fixed the mask a little bit more to me, and bye for me. Shockholm, don't miss it. 2021. Bye.